Hello everyone, it's Mari from Mari's Miscellany. Today I'm demonstrating how I make beads out of strips of paper. I'm using thick art paper here that I've decorated on both sides. You can use one strip for thick paper, and for thin, like magazines, you'll want two strips. I currently have 3 different sizes in the bead rollers, 3, 4, and 5 millimeter. The kits come with glossy Mod Podge for glue and glaze and grommets to cap the beads. So I start by inserting the wide end of the paper into the slot in the pin, hold it in place, and apply some glue. It doesn't take a lot to secure the beads, and you don't want to use too much because it will squish out and get messy. I'm trying to source good needle nose bottles for glue. It's difficult to find the right ones. I'll keep working on it. So as I roll, I'm stabilizing the paper in the back and on the sides and turning the bead roller. I'm making sure that the taper stays centered and I'm not pulling on the paper or adding any kind of tension. When I get to the end, I'll apply some more glue and then press it and hold it in place so that it secures. It only takes a few seconds to secure it. And then I roll out. A little bit of glue is going to squish out, so I just roll it and spread it around the bead. To remove the bead, I'm going to turn it back and forth a little bit and wiggle it so that it loosens up, and then pull from the bottom so that I don't unroll the whole bead. Then I use a skewer or the bead roller, press into the hole to press down that tab. Applying the grommets, I put a little bit of glue on each side and then press the bead down onto it. Sometimes the grommet doesn't fit very well, so I use the bead roller to open up that hole a little bit more. Once both grommets are on, I use a hammer and tap it gently on both sides to make sure that everything's well connected and settled, and then repeat with using the bead roller to reset the hole. To finish the surface, you can use anything that's fine with paper. Here I'm using a varnish. You can use the glossy Mod Podge, or I've used resin also, and it worked really well. So here's what it looks like dry. I think it's really pretty. Get creative and have fun. I'd love to see what y'all come up with. Don't forget to like, add, share, all of that good fun stuff, and follow along as I learn, make, and share art and crafts.